Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to cook something really nice, a free dal tarka, which is easy to cook and very wholesome and very enjoyable, which you will find once you cook this recipe. So let's get our ingredients together first. It's the best way we can start cooking without running around like headless chicken. It makes life much easier, and once you've got everything ready, we can basically start. These are the ingredients we will need. We need the 3 different types of lentils. We need salt, some ghee oil, and I'm using Himalayan salt here. If you want to use this, it's natural salt. We've got the seeds we use is cumin seeds and mustard seeds. We got some fresh coriander, a couple of dried red chilies and some thinly sliced garlic and green chilies and some tomatoes. Once you've got all your ingredients ready, we're ready to basically go. What we will need to do first is get all our lentils, the 3 lentils, in a saucepan and give them a good wash. So make sure the saucepan is not too small. This one what I'm using now, I figured that out after I put it on, it's too small. So I had to change it while I was cooking. So make sure you've got a good saucepan with a good lid as well. Give the lentils a good stir and let it soak for at least half an hour. It makes the process of cooking much quicker as well. So you could do this beforehand. Just leave them soaking in the water, but make sure you wash the lentils at least 4 or 5 times until the water goes clear. It's very important. So once it's all clear, then put your water covering the lentils. I've got all the ingredients and the amount of water written in the description, so if you want to have a look at that you can. I'm going to add it on the video itself. So basically now we're ready. Bring everything to a boil now, but before you bring it to a boil, add your onions and your chilies, tomatoes. This is a very simple dish, and the bay leaves. Give that a good stir. We're going to also add in this our salt as well, and also all our spices. So basically we're putting everything in. So what we're going to do is bring this to a boil and turn it down for about 35 minutes, I think, until all the lentils have softened. It's a very simple dish this to make. It doesn't take long and it's very tasty. It's perfect for like a wholesome soup with some nice crusty bread. Goes really well. Or you can have it with your curries, because that's what I do. So bring it to the boil and basically just turn it down to medium to low, so it's just gently bubbling away. And once it's gently bubbling away, just leave it. Go and watch telly, go and have a bath, or whatever you want to do. You don't need to watch this dish. It will just cook gently, and you don't have to worry about it. It's that simple to cook. So basically just let it boil just as you see. Put a lid on it and come back to it maybe once and just give it a little stir. And hopefully you'll find that it will just all break down nicely, just like this. Perfect. Now we're ready for the tempering. So give it a good stir, because the tempering will give the other half of the flavour basically. It's quite amazing that a little bit of tempering with garlic and oil can change the flavour completely. So what we want to do is, in a small saucepan, put your oil which you had, or ghee. I'm using ghee and a mixture of oil just to give an added flavour. In this you want to put your garlic, which we've thinly sliced, and your cumin and mustard seed, and also your 2 red chili. Now what we want to do is gently cook these, bring the oil to a high heat until it starts to fry, then turn it down a little bit. What we want to do is let everything infuse in that oil. This won't take too long, but don't do it too quickly because we don't want to burn the garlic, because once you burn the garlic it will become bitter. So just do just like this, as you can see, just slightly, just keep moving it around, and slowly the garlic will start changing colour. You want it to become like just like lightly brown, which is perfect. So once it's lightly brown, you just add this to your lentils. Just pour it in. Be careful, it is very hot. So just pour it into your lentils, just like this. Do it away from you because it's very hot and it kind of bubbles up. So give that a good stir and just bring it to the boil and cook it down for just a couple of minutes or so with the lid on it, and it's done. That's it, my simple dal recipe. Please let me know what you think in the comments and enjoy.